Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create neon outline text effect in CapCut Special for PC. So for instance, I'm going to select library and select the PNG background. So I'm going to change for the color, go to basic and select canvas, select color and select color you like. Alright, so after done, go to text, select default text and just for the duration the same way. Change for the text. You can change for the font size and font style. You can change for the font color. So after done, you're just going to select the clips, right click and create component clip, go to effect and select nightclub. So scroll down until you find the neon outline. Use, just download it and add to the thread. There you go, you can change for the strings. That's it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.